Is buying a new construction on your plan? Are you interested in purchasing a brand new home? If so, having a real estate agent to help you navigate through the process can make all the difference. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Buying a new construction home can be an exciting experience. From being the very first owner to the excitement of customizing your future, there are a lot of benefits, but it can be overwhelming process as well. This is where the value of having a highly skilled real estate agent to help you navigate the process comes into play. According to the mortgage reports, your real estate agent will be the key to helping you navigate the process, as they will guide you through construction and anticipate providing solutions to any possible snags along the way. Although you will be working with the builder, an experienced agent has the expertise to evaluate the construction quality and reputation of different builds. You will also have qualified insights into understanding builder contracts and negotiation. So, if you are in the market to buy, don't wait. Reach out to me so I can help you turn your vision of owning a new home into reality. Daniela Duta here, always ready and happy to help. Don't forget to follow me for some more tips